Well, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make mead. Mead is an ancient drink that was basically made from honey. So what we got here is 5 gallons of water that we're just going to put in this pot over here and boil for about 15 minutes with 5 pounds of honey and a couple of handfuls of hops. So the rest of this water we're going to put in the refrigerator to chill down, and then when this 2 gallons over here has been boiled for about 15 minutes, we're gonna take that out and pour it back in there to chill it down quickly. And the final step is basically just to shake the mixture well to get a little bit of oxygen in there. So when we boil it, we're basically boiling all of the gas and oxygen out of the liquid, which we actually do need for the fermentation. And once we get it down to about 80 degrees, we're just going to throw a little bit of safe ale yeast in there. I use a safe ale 05, and then we're just going to store it in a nice cool area. About 80 degrees, temperature is perfect for about a week or so before we put it into a keg. And as you can see right here, we've got it going. Of course, we have snow, making sure that nobody messes with the honey bear.